In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on the guided access on your iPhone. To turn on the guided access on your iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see, we are in the settings on my iPhone. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on accessibility. So let's tap on accessibility over here. So once you tap on accessibility over here, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You're going to see where it says guided access. So I want you to tap on that guided access. We have it here. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on the guided access, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, as you can see, the guided access is turned off. To turn it on, just want to tap on the front of it. Once you tap on it, it will turn from that off white to green. Once this thing shows green, it means the guided access is turned on successfully. So to enable password for this, the password settings, just want to tap on password settings. Once you tap on password settings, if you have Face ID enabled on your phone, fine. Just want to tap on the Face ID. Once you tap on Face ID, the Face ID will be activated with it immediately. So guys, this is how to actually turn on the guided access on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.